4 things that happened in AI this week that you need to know about. Number 1, Google adds video to its search generative experience. The new video feature gives us more exact search results and more answers every time we hit the converse button instead of clicking a link. Number 2, YouTuber Jordy Vandenbush replaces himself with AI. It's reported that he has over 500 other YouTubers waiting to use this tool like him. Number 3, researchers have found a new way to jailbreak ChatGPT. Now, this is not an exact science and they did not release the specific details, but they have alerted all of the big tech AI companies to this issue. And number 4, Meta announces Audiocraft, their new generative music platform, and rumors persist that Personas is coming out in September. Now, these are both huge deals. Audiocraft is meant to be a simple form of open source music generator that is easy for users to use. And Personas is supposed to launch on Facebook and allows different AI personalities to chat with users. If you like this AI news, you can join our newsletter, Incline.ai, by checking out our link in profile or typing AI in the comments below.